guys, so welcome to Nays Days. I have a mom hack for you. So as you guys can tell, we are camping this weekend. Oh my gosh, I love camping. And with 3 kids, sometimes when you pack snacks, it's really hard because someone's like, oh, that's my snack or that's my snack. My kids do it all the time. So at Walmart, they have this great value fresh seal zipper. They're assorted sandwich snacks. They have 4 different colors. They have 20 blue, 20 red, 20 green, and 20 yellow Ziploc baggies. I absolutely love them. Guys, come here. All right, so as you guys know, this is Brady, and what's your favorite color?
All.
No, pick, what's your favorite color?
The 20 blue.
The blue. And what's your favorite color?
Green.
And Johnny, his favorite color is red. So what I like to do to pack for the beach or for the pool, I like to pack their lunches and snacks in their color-coded bags. This way that they know that they've either finished their snack or their lunch and they can't steal their brother's. So this is Brady's lunch for blue. This is Justin's snacks. So we have his in the green. And then we have Johnny's in the red. So guys, if you would like a stress-free trip to the beach, to the pool, to the lake this summer, guys, definitely check out these different color zip bags because they will make your life a lot easier. So thank you guys for coming and checking out my channel. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know how you guys organize your summer beach bag. And also, please make sure you share this video and subscribe to become part of the Daisies. If you like a video like this, let me know and I'll make some more. Hope you guys have a fabulous weekend. Always think positive, never give up, live life to the fullest, make life easier, and I will see you when I see you. Bye.